Thank you so much. I'm your brother, this regret. Under normal circumstances, in a civilized society, Nigeria should be in a state of emergency by now. It does appear the worst has happened to the government and people of Nigeria. 2 days ago, the U.S. court handling Tinubu certificate saga gave Atiku Abubakar permission to have access to the academic record of Bola Tinubu. The APC reacted and said there is nothing to hide. Nothing will come out of it. Atiku is just wasting his time. When you look at that reaction, you will think that Tinubu is at peace, that whatever comes out of it, he knows he was a student of Chicago State University and he did everything as other students will do, so there is nothing to hide. So the reaction of APC was, it sends signal that, that means at the end of the day, Tinubu's certificate may be genuine. Lo and behold, within 24 hours, after that noise, after that ranting of APC, what we are now hearing is that Tinubu had gone to court to seek an order of the court, of a higher court, to stop the release of his academic record. He is telling the court that if his academic record is made public, he will suffer irreparable damages. It will affect him beyond measure. In fact, it's as if making public his academic record will threaten his life. It's as if it will cost him his existence on earth. It's as if it will destroy everything about him. Tinubu is in court. Who can believe this? Because if Tinubu is in court, struggling to ensure his academic record will not be made public, he has said it all then. He has said it all. You see, let anybody go anywhere, any school that I attended, ask for my academic record. If you like, print it and distribute it everywhere. It's of no value to me. It doesn't affect me in any way. Because if I gain admission through the process, go through the school system and write my exam as I went due and graduate, what is my problem with my academic record being made public? Tinubu has said it all. In a civilized society where you have human beings as citizens, Nigeria was supposed to be in an emergency by now. In a civilized society where you have men of honor, men with a sense of shame, men with a certain identity, Tinubu ought to have resigned. If you know the release of your academic record will cause you irreparable damage, you ought to have resigned. Why will it cause you irreparable damage? Why are you seeking court order to stop the release of your academic record? If you know of a truth, you went to Chicago State University and you graduated from Chicago State University, what then is the problem? What are you hiding? Nigeria should be in a state of emergency. This is red alert. What a tragedy. This is why we are not moving forward. The court in Nigeria for the past 20 years, no man of character, no identity, no responsible judge to look into the matter. They have been playing with it. Now, can you see where we are now? Tinubu had made a striking statement that academic record may be what we had already been suspecting. If your academic record is genuine, if you have passed through the process, not the type of INEC certificate of return that can be obtained by any means, if you have passed through the process legally, according to the provisions of the law, why are you afraid of the release of your academic record? Nigerians, red alert. God need to intervene in our situation. If Tinubu's academic record is not made public, then it's a hopeless situation in Nigeria. It's just a hopeless situation. May God save Nigeria. Let every Nigerian wake up. We are all now interested in getting to know every damn detail about Tinubu's academic record. Every Nigerian wake up. The time is now. We are in an emergency.